started. Okay, I marinated little chicken, thin slices, and then I put onions, green peppers, potatoes. If you have tomatoes, if you like, you can put it, and then little bit of the thin slices of chicken meat also on top, and then I cover it with bacon. And I'm going to put it in the air fryer. Okay, I hope it comes out. This is the first time I'm making. Can I come and show this here? Okay, can you see that? Okay, now I'll keep it for maybe 175 degrees for 15 minutes, and then I might add another 10 minutes if I think that it is not done. I like bacon to be nice and crispy brown, so it might be brown. I'm going to do that, and you'll have the juicy flavor of chicken and all the vegetables and bacon's juice of bacon. That oil that comes out of it, you can eat with bread or you can eat with anything, literally. Enjoy.